Alright, so I made access through the inlet of the vent trap outside. We pushed all the way to the stack in the basement by the slop sink. Looks like there's a floor drain. Might be one of the lines that is capped. I didn't see a floor drain right there. So we're pulling back in 4-inch cast iron. And there's the Y. It looks like there's one that's plugged up, and that's probably that one, and then that's the branch for that bathroom there. And then we pull back, and then there's one for the floor drain or that slop sink. And it looks like this 4-inch cast iron has cracks throughout it. We're going to start right here, and this is kind of like by the water heater. You'll see it on the top there. And then as we look to the left-hand side here, right there, there's a crack, and we'll see it opening up here. Right there is where it's open. So right through there, there's a crack in the cast iron. It kind of keeps going for a while. I marked it with tape about 1.5 feet deep. And then as we come under, so it's underneath the furnace, and then closer, a couple 3 feet out from the foundation on the right hand side, you'll see a crack start. Right here on the right there where my the time is, up there in the top right, there's a crack. It goes all the way, and then it goes into the house connection. This is where the 4-inch and the 6-inch meet, and this is underneath the foundation. And then we're in the 6-inch downspout line above that. And as we pull back, there's a section here we marked with a flag about 9 feet deep. Right here, this section of clay is cracked. So that's in the flower bed about 9 feet deep with the flag. And then the remaining 6-inch clay, we have some light roots right there. And then we come out of our vent trap access. So this is our access, front of the house. And then right where that tree is and that little bush, that's where the orange flag is to denote the broken or the cracked in the clay. So in conclusion, 6-inch clay from the vent trap to the mains, open, serviceable condition, light roots. 6-inch clay from the vent trap to the house has one section where there's a crack in it, marked with a flag, 9 feet deep. Advise, repair, replace. Get to the house connection underneath the foundation. The 4-inch cast iron's damaged and cracked for about a couple feet. And then we got about a 9-foot section where there's a crack in the 4-inch cast iron. It goes about 3 to 4 feet on either side of underneath the furnace. And then we hit the stack in the corner. So advise, basically repair or replace the cast iron from the 6-inch clay to the main stack in the bottom of in the basement by the slop sink by a plumbing contractor. And then UC will repair the 6-inch clay outside. And I advise an annual maintenance on the 6-inch clay to prevent blockages with the roots. And this concludes our inspection.